Hello friends, in this lecture I will focus on enabled SR latch using NOR gate. So before going on enabled SR latch, we should first see how we will just have a look on normal SR latch, that is SR latch without any enable or control signal. So this circuit is representing a normal SR latch without any gated signal, and here is the truth table for this particular SR latch, and this I have already discussed in my previous lectures. So here if you see, if my see here I am using NOR gate. So for NOR gate, if any of the input is 1, output will be 0. So if you see here, this is R connected to Q. Now if you see here, where is R? R is connected to Q. That means R is 1. That's why here Q is 0. So detail I have discussed earlier. So this is the truth table. So according to this, when S is 0, R is 1, Q will be 0, Q bar will be 1, and likewise. So here one thing is 0 0 is memory state and 1 1 is forbidden state. Now to design controlled RS latch, what we have to do? We have to simply add two more NOR gate as we did for a controlled SR latch using NAND. There I added two NAND gate. So here I will add two NOR gate like this. So one NOR gate is here, one NOR gate is here. Now I will explain its working. So output from this NOR gate is R star, output of this NOR gate is S star. So I will make again the truth working using this table. Now here if you see, for NOR gate, R star will be R plus En bar and S star will be S plus En bar. Fine. So if you see here, if my enable is 0, in that case R star will be R plus 0, that is R only. So R star will be R complement, and here S star will be nothing but S complement only. And if my enable is 1, in that case R star will be, see, R star will be R plus 1. So R plus 1 is 1 and 1's complement is 0. Similarly S star will be 0. Fine, because S plus 1 is 1 and 1's complement is 0. So this is the thing that we will have for enable 0 and 1. We will have this thing. Fine. Now I am going to use this concept. So if enable is 1, R star is 0, S star is 0, right? So that I have used irrespective of the value of S and R. If enable is 1, S star will be 0, R star will be 0. Okay, so let me first fill this input side and then I will fill Q and Q bar. And for now enable 1 is done here up to input side. For enable 0, for enable equals to 0, R star is nothing but R bar and S star is nothing but S bar. Okay, so let me write that. Now the conditions here are, when enable is 0, S will be 0, R will be 0. So S star is 1, R star is 1. Similarly for 0 1, it will be 1 0, 1 0, it will be 0 1, 1 1, it will be 0 0. Now if you see here, so this part is nothing but uncontrolled SR latch. SR latch. This is uncontrolled SR latch, and this whole part is controlled SR latch. Fine. Now, so from controlled SR latch, I get input for uncontrolled SR latch, that is R star and S star. So here This is your uncontrolled SR latch. So I will use the table for uncontrolled SR latch, which is here only. Now you can think of this S star as this S and this R star as this R. So if you see 0 0, so 0 0 is memory state, that means here it will be memory. Then 1 1, for 1 1 you can see it is invalid state. For 1 0, for 1 0 it is 1 0 only. And for 0 1, from here you see it is 0 1 only, right? And for 1 1 means, like for 0 0 it is again memory, so 0 0 it is memory. Now I am going to draw the, so this is how it will work. So using this table I will write the truth table, and in truth table actually it is combination of input and output entries only. So let me write that here. En as one input, S means this S and this R I will take as input. Output will be Q and Q bar, correct? So what are input combination? Input combination here is, okay. Now from this table, this working table, I have seen that if my enable is 0, enable is 1, this will act as memory. For this 0 0 0 case, it will be enable, not enable, invalid. It is invalid or forbidden also, you can see. You can see here, when SR is 0 0, it is invalid case. For 0 1, you can see 0 1, it is nothing but 1 0. For 0 1 is here, 0 1 it is 1 0. For 1 0 it is 0 1, it is 0 1. And for 1 1 again it is memory only, it is memory state, correct? So this is the required truth table for SR latch, controlled SR latch using NOR gate. Now from this truth table I will draw the characteristic table, okay. So for characteristic table, my input will be En, S, R and Qn, and my output will be Qn plus 1. Let me write the combinations. When En is 1, I don't care about S, R and C. Okay, let me first fill this. And then when En is 0, 0 0 0, SR can be 0 1, not 0 1, 0 0 actually. First entry should be 0 0. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1, and here Qn will always be don't care. Now if you see from this truth table, what I am getting, for En is 1, SR 0, SR Qn, I don't care. My Qn plus 1 will be Qn. If En is 1, En is 0, and if SR is 0 0, means this case I am getting invalid state. Then for this case, when SR is 0 1, I will get 1 0, correct? So it is 1 0, that means Qn plus 1 is 1. And if it is 1 0, SR is 1 0, I am getting Q as 0, so Qn plus 1 means 0, and at 1 1 it is memory only, memory means Qn. So this is the characteristic table. Now using this characteristic table, we can identify how would be the excitation table. Okay, for excitation table we will use this characteristic table. So now I'm going to draw excitation table. So for excitation table I need to use characteristic table, and this is the characteristic table that I have written. Okay, now to use how to use this characteristic table, we have to simply replace this all don't care conditions of Qn by their values, and by their values means by 0 1. So I'm going to do that here. Let me remove this. So it will be 0 1 0 1 0 1, likewise only. Correct, all the x's are replaced by their respective 0 1 values, and these values will be same, other inputs will be same. So it is 1 cross cross 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 and 1. And here I am having Qn, so here also comes Qn, here also comes invalid, here comes 1, here comes 0, here comes Qn. And here if you see, for enable 1, and what is excitation table actually? Excitation table is if my Qn is known to me and I want some particular Qn plus 1, then what should be the input that should be given. So this is the truth table, and here I will consider in this case, because if En is 1, whatever is the value of my S and R, Q next output is not going to change, so I will not consider that En as input, or I will not consider En as input. So I will draw table only for En equals to 0. So this case will not be used. Invalid case is also not used because it is not valid case, so these cases are not used. Now remaining cases are these only, and if you see here, for this 1 1 case I am having Qn here. So Qn means this is Qn plus 1 is Qn, so Qn is 0, that means this Qn will be replaced by 0, and this will be Qn means this Qn will be replaced by 1, because Qn at this state is 1. So let me do that, it will be replaced in that way. So 0 and 1. So here for excitation table combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So what is the required SR? 0 0. Where is my 0 0? And this case I will not focus. So let me see where is my 0 0 case. 0 0 is here, and 0 0 case is at these two places. And if you see here, for this 0 0, my S value is 1, R value is 0, and for this 0 0 case, S is again 1 and R is 1. So S is 1 and R I don't care, that means S will be 1, R I don't care. Next is 0 1. So 0 1 happens here only, and for this, okay, like here 0 1 happens here only. So for this 0 1, S is 0, R is 1, S is 0, R is 1. Then 1 0, 1 0 is at this place only, and here if you see, S is 1, S value is 1 and R value is 0, so it is 1 0. And for 1 1 I am having 1 here, so this case, and 1 1 here, this case. So if you see here, S is 0 and 1, and R is 1 in both the cases. That means R should be 1, as can be anything. So this is how we will get our excitation table for SR latch using NOR gate, and the SR latch, this SR latch is enabled SR latch. So if you have any doubt in this lecture, feel free to ask me. Thank you.